Hello friends, today we have a tutorial on a question on trigonometry where we have been given a quadrilateral A, B, C, D, and the size of AB is 8 centimeter, size of AD is 7 centimeter, the size of CD is 14 centimeter, and we have also been given the angle BAD, which is 150 degree, and there is one more angle which has been given to us, which is ADC, that is equal to 70 degree. So we have been asked to calculate this length BC. Of course, we cannot use a ruler. We have to use the principles of trigonometry. We have to use a step-by-step solution. I will show it to you. First step is we will go to this triangle ACD, and we are aware that there is a cosine rule formula. I'll write it down for you. The cosine rule states that A square is equal to B square plus C square minus 2 times B times C times cos A. Now, if we imagine this length 7 centimeter to be our A, and if we imagine this 14 centimeter to be our B, and we imagine this angle 70 degrees to be our A, substituting these in our formula, our A square, this length can be designated as A, which is AC. So it becomes AC square is equal to B square, 14 square, plus C square. Actually this should be designated as C. 7 square, take away 2 times 14 times 7 times cos 70 degree. Now we have to use the calculator, and if we do this on the calculator, let's see, 14 square plus 7 square minus 2 times 14 times 7 times cos 70, we get the value as 177.96. Now this is AC square, and of course we have to do a square root of both sides in order to get our length AC. So let's do a square root, which will be square root of this, and we get the length as 13.34 centimeters. So we will write our value here, A, as 13.34 centimeter. Now we have to go to a step 2. In order to do the step 2, we need to know our sine rule, and the sine rule states that you have angle sine A divided by A is equal to sine B upon B is equal to sine C upon C. Now let's imagine this angle here as angle, say, alpha, and this angle here as beta. So I am talking about this angle, which is angle CAD. CAD is our alpha, and angle CAB as our angle beta. So we will use these in our formula here. So we know this angle as 70 degrees, so we will write it here as sine 70 divided by A, which has to be the side opposite that angle 70 degree, 13.34, is equal to sine B, which is this angle, sine alpha, divided by the side which is opposite alpha, is 14 centimeter. Now we have the alpha here. We want to find out what is the value of alpha. Sine alpha is equal to 14 times sine 70 divided by 13.34. We have used cross multiplication. So let's find out the value. 14 times sine 70 divided by 13.34. We get, once again, 14 times sine 70, I must close the brackets here, divided by 13.34 is equal to 0.986. So sine alpha is equal to 0.986. Of course, in order to get alpha, I have to do sine inverse of 0.986. So let's do sine inverse. So we will go to this button, shift, sine inverse, and then ANS, answer. And we get the angle equal to 80.46. 80.46. So we will mark this angle as 80.46. Now we can immediately calculate this angle beta because the total angle is 150 degrees. So this angle beta will become 150 take away 80.46. And we get this angle as equal to 69.54. So we have got this beta angle here as 69.54. Now we have the step 3 to do the calculation for this length BC. Again, we will use the cosine rule. The cosine rule states that A square is equal to B square plus C square, take away 2 times B times C times cos A. Now our A can be this length, BC, and B can be this one, 8 centimeter, and C can be this 13.34 centimeter, and this A is the angle beta, this 69.54. That is our angle A. So we will put it in the equation. A square becomes our BC square is equal to B square, which is 8 square, plus C square, which is 13.34 square. Take away 2 times 8 times 13.34 times cos that angle, which we found out to be 69.54. So let's calculate BC square with our calculator. So 8 square plus 13.34 square minus 2 times 8 times 13.34 times cos 69.54, and we get this value as 167.34. Of course, we have to do square root of this value to get our answer. So we will do square root answer, and we get the answer as 12.936. We can write it as 12.94 centimeter. So we have found the value as 12.94. That is our answer. I hope you have understood how to use cosine rule as well as sine rule. Thank you.